everybody, it's Harry here from Worth South Africa, and we take a quick look at our metal detecting cable ties. Now, the metal detecting cable ties is ideal for the food and pharmaceutical industry. You all know if I take a normal cable tie and I put a magnet to it, nothing happens. But the minute it gets into contact with one of these little blue fellows, it picks it up. So it's easy detectable with your eye as well as with X-rays and the electromagnet within the pharmaceutical and food industry. There's metal dispersion particles throughout the whole cable tie. So it's not just a tip or somewhere in the middle or so. The whole cable tie is manufactured with polyamide or nylon 6.6, and the metal dispersion is throughout that whole cable tie. So within the pharmaceutical industry or in the food process industry, when you want to use it close to where you want to keep cables together, you can utilize this, and no need to be afraid that if any piece would come into contact with the food industry, that piece will run through the system because your X-rays as well as your metal detecting will pick it up. Thank you.